Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Gotta go to Lowe's, pick up the stuff. We're gonna get it going. Lip comes off. Don't need that anymore. Outline it and then start making our lip. Alright, our rough template is made onto the cardboard, and now we're going to bring it into the garage and start copying over to our PVC. So my outline's all cut out for it. I'm stoked on how it's coming out so far. Well, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? Back out here the next day. Last night we got our template all figured out. So now we're just gonna cut it out. I'm gonna rip this side, and then I'm gonna take the jigsaw. I'm gonna cut that side and sand it down, and then we'll go from there. Alright, that's the easy part done. Now we're gonna take the jigsaw and cut out that front side. Check it out. I'm gonna leave the dimensions all down in the description below, so you guys can do this for yourselves and you'll have the exact measurements that I used. Obviously you're gonna have to change it up a little bit according to your vehicle, but the exact dimensions of mine I want to leave down in the description. So you're gonna sand down these edges. This is 120 grit. Maybe go a little less aggressive on the sandpaper then. Even 320 you might even be able to use. I think I'm gonna go test fit it. Put these under so I can get it up a little higher. Guys, this is insane. It looks so sick. It's gonna be about, I don't know, 3 inches overhang. It's gonna be a little higher, obviously. And I'm also gonna make some custom splitter rods. So we're gonna cut this bottom center piece out of the bumper. Our multi-tool here, chop this whole piece off. Intercooler is gonna be exposed. I'm a little bit nervous about it, but I think it's gonna be rewarding. I think it's gonna be worth it. All right, here we go. Wow, that's scary. Oh man. Once it's all complete, it's gonna look good. I might have to trim some of that plastic cover underneath the intercooler back. Chop this piece off. Got rid of that. It looks cool. I'm gonna look up underneath and see how much I can cut off back in here just to reduce some weight. Something like that. Alright, so we got 4 holes marked. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got to drill these 4 holes out, so let's do that first. Alright, we're running to the store real quick. Those bolts didn't work. Some like what are they called? Some U-bolt clips or something like that. Got everything we need. Now we can finish this thing up. Let's do it. So what I'm doing for this now, U-nuts I think they're called. And these U-nuts go up. I'm cutting away so I can actually make these fit and reach. Right there. And this creates a hole for the bolt to screw into. So I just finished up. I'll show you guys what I was talking about. I had to cut back a little bit and then slide those in around the plastic. The one right here, did the same thing for that one. So now we're ready for that splitter. Alright, Fiesta's up in the air. We're gonna put our splitter on, and then we got our splitter rods, which are right here. Alright, so we got 2 splitter rods, got 2 wig nuts, and lock washers. So we're gonna go right here. These are carriage bolts on the splitter, up through the splitter, and up into here, like this. We'll do that after we get these 4 bolts on. Let's get to it. Looks insane.
You go pee pee.
Hey.
Oh, you're videoing?
Yeah, this looks
Why are they-
insane.
Come here.
I think it looks so sick. I gotta do the self-tapping screws. I'm gonna do the splitter rods, and then we just gotta paint it. All right, guys. So we're getting the splitter rods lined up. We got 1.5 inches in, and we're about 11 inches off center. Drill these out, and drill a hole up into this part of the bumper, and then we got the wing nut to put on top. Alright, so they didn't have any smaller bolts, so I had to do it with this 10-inch, so I got to chop them down to the right size. Welcome back to another day. What I'm going to do is take it off, we got to paint it, so let's go finish this thing up. Time for paint. First coat, light tack coat. That's done. Coat number 2. I think I gotta move my location. It looks like. Coat number 3. After this dries, I'm gonna hit it back with the gloss. Last coat. All finished up with the paint. Looks pretty stinking good. Don't look too close. That's a finished lip right there, baby. Saving myself hundreds of dollars making this, and look at this. Turned out sweet. Bolt it all together, put in some self-tapping screws, and give you guys the reveal.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Man, this turned out so cool. I really hope it motivates some of you to do this to your Fiestas or any of your cars. This is something that's been like a mystery for me for a long time, and nobody really had decent videos on it. So hopefully mine was clear enough to understand. Please feel free to ask me any questions you guys have. I'll be more than willing to answer them to help you guys out. I definitely plan on making more videos like this in the future. I got some other plans for this thing, some DIY stuff. Save me some big bucks, and hopefully it helps you guys save some money too. But to hit the like button if you like this video, leave a comment down below what you guys think, and if you got any questions on how I can help, I'd be more than willing to help out. And subscribe. More stuff coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.